Suzuki Boulevard C50. I removed the cats from the front of the exhaust pipe. I disconnected the pipe from the muffler. The shield comes off and they disconnect from right here and right here. And I stood them on end, and this pipe is not exactly centered into the muffler, it's off to one side, so you can sort of see the converter when you look down through the hole. And these converters, they're not as big as they looked. They're real short. They got two tacks, one on each side. And this one I had trouble getting out. Had to wiggle it back and forth. One end I had to push it back in, this end push it out to break one tack. One tack was being stubborn. But I made this pipe to reach in from this side and knock it out. This pipe was so that it could barely grab one of the lips, because then when you look through the hole, it's not centered into the pipe, so you see in a part of this, and tried to grab it and push it out. Now it's straight pipe, nothing in the muffler. You see that hole was not exactly centered in the end of this muffler, but you can knock them out.